Sourdough, fermented culture of fresh flour and water, contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and antioxidants. Kefirko sourdough fermenter makes preparation of naturally leavened sourdough foods an easy, efficient, and sustainable routine. The versatile cup lid of the sourdough fermenter allows you to have your bubbly starter always at hand. With the help of markings on the cup lid, easily measure water and flour for the preparation of the levain. Fermentation clock makes it easy to keep track of fermentation. Rubber band additionally serves as a level marker to catch the levain at its peak. Quality Kefirko glass jar is perfect for fermenting levain. The top lid helps boosting the microorganisms in your starter by allowing the air to come into the jar. Push and lock the lid to stop the airflow. You can now store the levain in the fridge to bake later. Or let's bake something now. Always keep a small part of the starter in the versatile cup lid for your next baking. Sourdough is a healthier choice. It stays fresh for a long time, but contains no additives that can be found in store-bought loaves. You can use all kinds of flour, from all-purpose to whole wheat. The method is always the same, to get the perfect crust and open crumb of every bread you make. You can bake artisan breads, baguettes, pizza, or different types of pastries with sourdough, and each and every one will be a hit. Be creative with a Kefirko sourdough fermenter and help us bring it to production by backing our 4th Kickstarter project.